Getting Paramount Plus through the Walmart Plus is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get Paramount Plus through the Walmart Plus. In order to do that, you simply have to go to your Walmart application, and then you have to tap on your account. After tapping on your account, you have to scroll down until you see the option for subscription and plans. And under that option you have to go to Walmart Plus. There you go. As you can see, currently I don't have any Walmart Plus, or it wants me to claim a trial. Obviously with I can, but in your case you have to scroll down until this option, which is Walmart Benefits. You will also see an option for Paramount Plus, so just have to go without option. Afterwards it would want you to create a Paramount account. Whenever you create a Paramount, again it will be automatically connected to Walmart account as well, and that's how you will be able to get a Paramount Plus that you can easily use to watch movies and stuff. So that's pretty much it that I will be able to do it. Hope you guys find it so helpful.